Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Monday update of the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. We've had a couple of good days on the markets lately. We had a great day on Friday, carried on into Monday. So let's just jump straight into the portfolio. But before I do, I just wanted to thank Margaret, who is a Watchstar channel and signed up for Wealthsimple. And with that, there's a promo that sends a $10 stock my way. And I just had that appear in my inbox today. So thanks, Margaret. Thanks for signing up. If you're new to Wealthsimple and you haven't signed up, there's a couple links down in the description below. You can sign up for a Wealthsimple trade account or also the Wealthsimple Cash App account. They'll give you about 10 bucks each. And if you do sign up, it will also gives me a referral fee. So what I'm going to be doing tomorrow is I will put that referral fee into the portfolio and we'll make another investment. So thanks, Margaret. And thanks to everybody that has signed up using the affiliate links down below. Really appreciate it. Let's jump into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio using the app. Now, first thing I actually noticed today when I logged into my account is there was an update to the app. So if you haven't done that yet, go over to the App Store or the iOS store wherever you have your phone app. And they've actually done some kind of changes, which is nice. They've kind of streamlined a little bit, made it a little bit, I find, clearer to read. And it also gives you some nice updates on the stocks as well without having to actually drill down to the account. So we can do it that way now. But as we can see here, we'll show you how the portfolio did today. But let's just go through. We can show you through each one individual end of the day. It is Monday, Brookfield Renewables. We are up 1.24%, which is nice to see on the day. It's always nice when that one's up 42.34. It closed off on. Now we're still down a little bit, 8.86%, but it's nice to see that increase and carrying on from Friday as well, back up on Brookfield Renewables. I will be adding to this stock position. Renewable energy stock. CMC, again, 8.11%, not too bad. We are down still in general on that. We can see the all-time is still down 67%, unfortunately. That's okay, we're gonna leave that one in there. Let's see what happens. But again, good update today on ETC, Evolved Cryptocurrencies ETF. We are up 7.27% today. It's been a good rally with cryptocurrencies over the weekend. Started off Friday and kind of carried all the way through, which is nice to see. On the portfolio being up 7.27%. We're still down a little bit, 24.89%. Not too worried about that. We're going to continue to add this. We'll just dollar cost average into this one, and which will bring our average price down unless we start growing up still. And of course, it's going to get more expensive. Greenlane Renewables, not a bad day on that. 2.61% we were up on the day. $1.18 closed off, so our average price still $1.40. We're down a little bit, 15.50%. But again, long-term hold on this one. Not too worried about that. And REI, RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This was one of the ones that was actually down today, unfortunately. That's down a little bit, 0.57%. But we're still doing okay. We're up 7.80% on the portfolio. We have 25 shares of our RioCan, and as always, we like those regular dividends that are coming in, which will allow us to reinvest back into the portfolio. TransAlta Renewables also up a little bit, up 0.47%. It's always nice when things are in the green. And we're still unfortunately down a little bit there, 12.15%. But we'll see the stock recover. I think there's still some room for some growth, and we'll again continually to add in dollar cost average into this one. And again, a long-term hold for RNW as well. Solar Alliance Energy, finished that one even, 12 cents. Well, that's okay. Slate Office REIT, we are up a tiny bit, 0.6%, 506, and our average price of 516. We still got a bit of gains to come back on that, but again, regular dividends will be coming through on that. We'll get our monthly dividend sometime this month, which we'll reinvest back in. And Telus. Telus is doing okay. We were down, unfortunately, on Telus today, 0.65%, but still over 30 bucks. This is a channel favorite from people. A lot of people leave comments saying they love Telus. How do you have Telus in your portfolio? Let me know in the comments below how you're doing on that one as well. Been very happy with this, with Telus Corp. It's just 17 shares, but up 8.69%, which is very, very nice. And the last two, these are our two ETFs. Now, these were doing okay in the beginning of the day, and then at the end of the day, they did come down a little bit, but not too concerned. VDY down just 0.06%, but we're still doing quite well. We have 44 shares of that. We're going to get our monthly dividends to be able to reinvest back in, and we're up 15.66%. That is great. Very happy with VDY. VFE, I'm going to keep an eye on this one because I kind of say if it ever kind of goes below $100 or just over $100, I will try to grab some more because I think it's a good long-term investment with the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. We closed off down 1.14%. Again, we're still seeing that choppiness in the market, right? But I think there's still some good opportunities to while the prices are down a little bit. If your long-term goal, nothing wrong with picking up. I'm going to be picking up some more VFV. 23 shares, total return 1.69%. So that's good. Our average price is $99.15. So we're still kind of right around that range, which is okay. We'll just add to that ETF in the portfolio. Let's just go through, show you how we did for the day. We can see we're up a little bit in the month. Let's go through the day. We're up 0.65% on the day, 53.76. That was mostly from ETC, the Evolved Cryptocurrencies ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Definitely some good gains on that. So happy about that. So on the week, starting going, this will be the past 7 days, 4.21% on the portfolio, which is nice. We are actually almost up if we see on the month, just a little bit on the month. And if we actually see on the 3 months, we're down 4.16%. But if we go all time, obviously 1 year, we're not been going for a year. We started in April. If you've been following along, down only 2.46%, which is great. Our portfolio is coming back quite nicely, and I think we'll be in the green. If this week kind of continues, I think we will be in the green, hopefully by the end of the week, which would be nice to see on the portfolio. So there's the update for Monday. Let me know how your portfolio is doing. I'll have the community tab poll over on my community tab. You can go and vote. Let me know how your portfolio did. Are you up? Are you down? Are you even? It's always great to hear what people have to say about their portfolios. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite stocks are, some of your favorite ETFs. I love hearing everybody's comments and like reading through them all. So if you have made it this far as well, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go look down below. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to have you join along. We're trying to grow my portfolio from $0, we started back in April, all the way at $100,000. And it'd be great to have you join along. I'm learning a lot as we go here. Hopefully you're learning a little bit too. That's all, everybody. We'll see you later on in the week for the next video.